What's up guys? So I recently bought a few GTX 1060 3GB versions at a steal of $60 each. Although I knew they were mined on, I really didn't care as long as it worked. Now fast forward a few hours later, I noticed the front fan of the one 1060 Gaming X model slows and stops sometimes for a second while the back one still spins. So it was definitely reaching a temperature that changes the fan state to spin, but it didn't spin properly. Lo and behold, the fan was hard to turn by finger as well, so I decided to fix it by opening up the fan and cleaning it, and applying some multi-purpose oil. That runs properly. So if you have a bad GPU fan, you can just try opening it up and cleaning it and apply some multi-purpose oil. Though if your card has warranty and you don't want to void it, I suggest RMing the card if you don't want to take the risk. This fix was pretty easy and worth it in my opinion, as I didn't have any warranty on the cards. As you can see, the card's fan is now fixed, and temps are looking very good from the testing I've done. Now if you're low on cash and need some GPU power, should you buy mining cards? Well, it depends. First off, you should definitely test if the GPU turns on without any artifacting or weirdness. Next off, confirm if the card has its original gaming VBIOS. If not, make an agreement with the seller that you'll get your money back if there's any problem with the VBIOS after reflashing it to its original state, or ask them to do it before selling. Now next, if the fans aren't up to the task and gives problems, it's fixable most of the times, as long as the GPU's fans are spinning somewhat initially. Now usually fans of GPUs are the first to fail in mining cards, and that in turn damages the GPU die in the long run because of the overheating. But like I said, if all the steps above are taken, the card is definitely a steal. You might even slice another 10 to 20% off the price because it's a mining card. If you liked this video, please drop a like and or comment or subscribe. If not, I don't think you'll see this last segment of the video anyways,